Most people in Australia are using digital wallets without understanding what they are actually costing them. And here's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. People assume all digital wallets are the same. They are not. Some are just payment tools, some are banking replacements, and a few are designed to help you save money, earn rewards, and avoid unnecessary fees every single day. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, digital wallets in Australia are not just about tapping your phone to pay. They are part of your financial system. And if you use them correctly, you can reduce fees, improve security, and even earn rewards on everyday spending without changing your lifestyle. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Australia for 2026. But more importantly, you will understand exactly when to use each one, how they work in real life, and how smart users combine them to maximize savings. Now here is something most beginners miss. There is no single perfect wallet. The real advantage comes from using the right tool at the right time. Let's start immediately because the first one is already used by millions of Australians every day. Number 1 is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely accepted digital wallets in Australia. You can use it in supermarkets like Woolworths, Coles, cafes, public transport, and almost every online store that supports contactless payments. But here's where most people get confused. Apple Pay itself does not give cashback or rewards. It is simply a secure payment layer. The rewards depend entirely on the debit or credit card linked to it. For example, Jake in Sydney uses Apple Pay linked to his Commonwealth Bank debit card. Every time he taps his phone, the payment is processed instantly. But any rewards come from his bank, not Apple Pay. Now, here's the problem. Many users think Apple Pay is the reward system. It is not. It is just the payment method. But here is where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is one of the fastest and most secure payment systems in Australia, especially for everyday contactless payments and transport systems. And in a minute, I will show you a wallet that actually gives direct cashback without needing a traditional bank card setup. Let's move to number 2, Google Wallet. Google Wallet is the main competitor to Apple Pay in Australia, especially for Android users. Just like Apple Pay, Google Wallet does not directly give cashback. Instead, it stores your debit and credit cards and allows you to pay securely using your phone. For example, Sarah in Melbourne links her ANZ and Westpac cards to Google Wallet. Every time she pays, she still earns whatever rewards her bank offers. But here's the catch. Google Wallet is only as powerful as the cards you connect. If your card has no rewards, Google Wallet will not magically create them. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Google Wallet allows you to switch between multiple cards quickly, which helps you optimize spending depending on categories like groceries, fuel, or dining. In a minute, I will show you a wallet in Australia that actually gives you cashback directly, even without a premium credit card. Let's move to number 3, PayPal. PayPal is still one of the most widely used digital payment systems in Australia, especially for online shopping and international purchases. The biggest advantage of PayPal is security. You don't need to share your card details with every website. You just pay through PayPal. Now here's where it becomes important. PayPal itself does not always provide cashback in Australia, but it allows you to earn rewards through linked credit cards that already offer points or cashback. For example, John in Brisbane shops on eBay and Amazon using PayPal, linked to his reward credit card. He still earns points or cashback from his bank. But here's the problem. PayPal is strongest online. In physical stores, Apple Pay and Google Wallet are much more dominant. Now here is where it gets interesting. PayPal is best used as your online shopping protection layer, not your daily in-store wallet. Let's move to number 4, Afterpay. Afterpay is extremely popular in Australia, especially among younger users. It is not a traditional wallet, but it functions like one because it allows you to split payments into 4 installments with no interest, if paid on time. For example, Emma in Perth buys a $200 product and pays it over 4 weeks instead of upfront. But here is the problem. Afterpay does not give cashback, and missing payments can result in late fees. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Afterpay is not about earning money. It is about managing cash flow. Used correctly, it helps you control spending. Used incorrectly, it can lead to overspending. Let's move to number 5, Zip Pay. Zip Pay is another popular buy now pay later service in Australia. It works similarly to Afterpay, but with more flexible repayment options depending on your plan. For example, Mike in Adelaide uses Zip Pay for emergency purchases like car repairs or unexpected bills. But here's the catch. Zip Pay can include account fees depending on usage, so it is not completely free like a cashback wallet. Now here's where it gets interesting. Zip Pay is useful for flexibility, not rewards. Let's move to number 6, Revolut. Revolut is gaining popularity in Australia, especially for people who travel or deal with multiple currencies. It allows you to hold different currencies, convert money at competitive rates, and track spending in real time. For example, David in Sydney uses Revolut when traveling to Europe or Asia. He avoids expensive foreign transaction fees. But here is the problem. Some features, including cashback offers, depend on your subscription plan. Now here's where it gets interesting. Revolut is not just a wallet. It is a financial control system for global spending. Let's move to number 7, Wise. Wise, formerly TransferWise, is one of the most trusted international money transfer platforms in Australia. It allows you to send money abroad with lower fees compared to traditional banks. For example, Lisa in Melbourne sends money to family overseas using Wise and saves significantly on transfer fees. But here is the catch. Wise is not a cashback wallet. It is a cost-saving transfer system. Now here's where it gets interesting. Wise helps you save money by reducing hidden banking fees. Let's move to number 8. Apple Card alternatives through Australian credit cards. Now Apple Card is not available in Australia, but users replicate similar benefits using reward credit cards like Commonwealth Bank Awards, Amex Explorer, or NAB Rewards. When these are linked to Apple Pay or Google Wallet, users still earn cashback or points on everyday spending. For example, Alex in Sydney uses an Amex card linked to Apple Pay and earns points on groceries, fuel, and dining. But here's the problem. The reward depends entirely on the credit card, not the wallet. Now here's where it gets interesting. In Australia, your wallet is only as powerful as your bank and card strategy. Let's move to number 9, Beamit. Beamit is an Australian peer-to-peer payment app owned by major banks. It allows instant money transfers between users without needing bank details. For example, friends splitting a restaurant bill in Sydney can send money instantly through Beamit. But here is the catch. Beamit does not offer cashback or rewards. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Beamit is about convenience, not earning. Let's move to the final one, number 10, Samsung Wallet. Samsung Wallet is used by Samsung phone users in Australia. It combines digital payments, loyalty cards, and secure access features in one place. But here is the reality. Samsung Wallet does not offer strong direct cashback. It relies on linked cards and promotions. For example, users may receive occasional offers through Samsung partners, but it is not a core reward system. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Samsung Wallet is best for convenience within the Samsung ecosystem, not for earning rewards. Now let's bring everything together because this is where most people finally understand the real strategy. There is no single best digital wallet in Australia. Each one has a specific purpose. Apple Pay is best for daily contactless payments. Google Wallet is best for Android users and card flexibility. PayPal is best for online shopping protection. Afterpay is best for splitting payments. Zip Pay is best for flexible credit options. Revolut is best for global spending. Wise is best for international transfers. Credit cards linked to wallets are best for cashback rewards. Beamit is best for instant transfers. Samsung Wallet is best for Samsung ecosystem users. But here is the biggest mistake people make. They try to use one app for everything. That is exactly why they lose money or miss rewards. Now here is the smart strategy in 2026. Use Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily spending. Use PayPal for online shopping. Use Afterpay or Zip Pay only when needed for cash flow. Use Wise or Revolut for international spending. Use reward credit cards for cashback optimization. This is how smart users in Australia build a full financial system instead of relying on one app. And here is the final insight most people never realize. Digital wallets are not just about payments. They are about controlling how money moves, how fees are avoided, and how efficiently you spend. Every fee avoided, and every reward earned adds up significantly over time. Now, let's quickly summarize. Apple Pay and Google Wallet give convenience and speed. PayPal gives online protection. Afterpay and Zip Pay manage cash flow. Revolut and Wise handle global money. Credit cards provide real cashback. Beamit handles instant transfers. Samsung Wallet adds ecosystem convenience. If you combine them correctly, you are not just using apps anymore. You are building a financial system. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment your favorite wallet in Australia, and subscribe because the next video will show you how Australians are stacking credit cards with digital wallets to maximize cashback legally without changing their spending habits.